In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to use the photo comparison tool in MetaCam Studio, performing comparative analysis between point clouds, plan views, and on-site photos. The Compare Photo tool is only available for post-processed point cloud files containing image data. If you need panoramic views, check the panorama box during import. Once valid data is imported, click Compare Photo. This opens the plan view and photo windows and reveals the scanning trajectory within the point cloud viewport. Click the trajectory to view all image capture points along the route. To jump to a specific area, click its location on the plan view. The pyramids along the trajectory represent the left and right camera viewports. Clicking the base of a pyramid automatically to load its photo and instantly sync the point cloud perspective. Use the buttons in the photo window to toggle the visibility of the photos or the point cloud. Click Panorama to view the panoramic image generated at that specific position. Use Previous or Next to jump between adjacent capture points of the same lens. To save the current image to your designated path, click Download. Click Exit to close the windows.